Hi, welcome back to my channel Tech Krish or GAG Agra. Since I was discussing dictionaries and I'll continue discussing the dictionary, and in my last video I discussed an application on dictionaries in Python, and this is how to use or create the program on dictionaries. So in this video also I'm going to create a program in dictionary. It's a very simple program, and you will be mesmerized that when you know the length of the application is quite big, but the solution is very small. So let's move to our presentation. See here, this is just a simple script. Board offers a number of students like subjects like maths, physics, accountancy, etc. At senior secondary level, each subject has been assigned a unique code. Schools and students are free to opt for any combination of 5 or 6 subjects subjected to the certain restrictions. Due to logical constraints, schools offer a preset combination of these subjects as different streams. But details of this question is details are also there, which I'll discuss on the next slide. See here, and here the details. So there are the subject combinations. 301 is a code for English core, 027 history, political science, economics, uh, psychology, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, business studies, accountancy, informatics practices, computer science, and web application. And apart from it, a school offers the following streams with subject combinations: science, for science, 301, 041, 042, 043, 083. These are the subjects code. Means in the science stream 1, these subject codes are offered. Means these subjects are offered. In subject code subject 2, 301, 042, these subject codes are offered. Means these subjects are offered. Commerce, 301, 041, 030, and 054 and 055. And humanities, there are subject scores like 301, 028, 030, and 037 and 803. Write Python program to do the following: store the subject codes and subject names of all the subjects in a dictionary. Store the stream names and corresponding subjects list in a dictionary. Display all the stream names along with the corresponding subject names using the above two dictionaries. So let's move to the program. So I'll create the dictionary here. See here, this is a dictionary where having the codes of the subjects. So the number of subjects and along with the codes are enclosed within the dictionary subjects, and other dictionary is streams. So here this is a dictionary. Right from here, science 1, the subject list is this. Science 2, subject list is this. Science 3, subject list is this. Commerce, subject list is this. And humanities, subject list is this. So this is the dictionary. So we have two dictionaries. One is the subjects and other is the streams. And what I am going to do here, I'll try or I implement the loop for streams, and for every stream I'll read the subject one by one, and this code will display the stream along with the subject. So this is science stream, science 1 stream. What is 301, what is 041, what is 042. So it will display the subject names as per the stream. Now I'm taking you to my collab notebook. Collab notebook. So here collab notebook is opened. So see here the same I have written here, the subject code and detail, and along with the streams. These are the streams. So one dictionary is this and one dictionary is this. So there are two dictionaries. Okay. Now first I'll create the dictionary for the subjects. Okay, this is subject dictionary 301. This is the key and this is the value, key and value, key and value, and so on. So this is a complete dictionary. And over here this is another dictionary which is having the streams, science 1 stream and the subject combinations 301, 041. So this way I created another dictionary. Now what I am going to do here, I'll apply a loop on a stream for I in a stream. So this is a stream, and for every subject code it will fetch the name of the subject from subject dictionary. So see here for I in a stream, so it will read from here to here, and for every stream code the code will be fetched from the subjects. So you see the subject code will be printed, subject name will be printed here on the basis of the subject code, and this is for as in subjects. So here subjects values are 301, 302. Every code will be processed here because loop is there. For stream 0 means this list will be processed, then this list will be processed, then this list will be processed, and this list will be processed, and finally this list will be processed. Okay. Now I'll execute this program, run this program, and you'll see the output like this. So see the output. Science 1, English core, mathematics, physics, chemistry, computer science. So the codes were 301, 041, 042, 043, and 083. So see here 301, 041, 042, 043, and 083. So this is how we can apply the dictionary on the subject code and the stream. So using dictionary is quite easy in the program. Hope you got the concept of matching the subject stream and the subject code, and getting the appropriate subject name from the dictionary, which is the subject name. So this is how we can combine the dictionaries, and we can correlate the matching of the code and the subject. So hope you understood the concept of using two dictionaries with the stream and code of the subjects. So if you understood the concept, kindly share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and press the bell icon also, so that as and when new video is created, you get the notification as and when it is done. So we'll meet in the next video with some other application. Bye bye.